look. This is a hailbow. Oh my god. I'm so scared the windshield is gonna break and oh my god. That's why I'm leaving the windshield wipers on, because they're like deflecting it a little bit. Holy crap! This is wild. Oh my god! Oh my god! We're like in a... Yo, the car is getting tore up! Oh my god! This is crazy! Finally it's stopping. That was bad. That was bad. That was so bad.
It looks like snow.
Yeah, but it's like big rocks of snow. Wow.
Okay, I'm done getting so. It looks like snow.